Hello, and welcome to the UTS Business School. My name is Dr. Lewis Wales, and I am the Director of our Master of Not-for-Profit and Social Enterprise Management program. Here at the UTS Business School, it is our mission to lead research and teaching that enables business and organisations to contribute to the public good. We are focused on individuals and organisations that want to create positive social change. Our Masters of Not-for-Profit and Social Enterprise Management is a dynamic program with a distinctive social purpose to contribute to a thriving not-for-profit sector. This is a powerful place to share your passion and develop your purpose. Running a not-for-profit organisation requires unique skills, from managing volunteers to engaging in advocacy to fundraising to measuring social impacts. Together, these unique skills support us to develop innovative solutions that have lasting social impact. In our Measuring Social Impact subject, you'll collaborate with teaching staff to create a methodologically rigorous program evaluation plan. You will learn about how not-for-profit organisations can measure the social impact of their programs and why doing so is significant. By the end of the subject, you'll be equipped with necessary tools such as a theory of change and a logic model to track the short and long-term outcomes of your planned work. Strengths of our programs: our location in the heart of Sydney's leading business, creative and entrepreneurial precincts provides us with opportunities to engage with industry. We're industry connected. Practice-relevant programs are developed with business practitioners and associations and feature industry guest lectures, case studies, live projects, internships, and mentoring. Our research and teaching staff are all leading experts in their field and work closely on research projects with industry. For more detail on our postgraduate programs in not-for-profit and social enterprise management, specific subjects you'll study, and how to apply, please visit our website.